guys, so it's 10:20 right now and I have to start studying now because it's so late. So first thing I'm gonna do is clear all this mess. Okay, before starting, let me give you guys a work haul. I have just 4 things to cover, but there are a lot. Do lead code and some technical terms to learn and CTFs and finish my project. Now I finished watching the video from Striver, so I'm gonna code it on my own now. Lead code is done. I'm gonna move to the next work I have. For studying for my technical interview, I use this website called roadmap.sm because it has all the resources, like all the terminologies at one place. I was getting a little bit sleepy, so I went and made chai, without which I can't literally survive. I finished so many topics. So it's like 12 o'clock right now. I'm kind of sleepy, so I'm gonna go work out, take bath and have my lunch. And also guys, I want this messy bun yesterday, so I don't know how it looks. I kinda like it. So it's exactly 2:30. I finished all the chores and I'm watching Big Bang Theory and having my lunch. I'll finish the lunch and start studying. So now I'm gonna start playing that game. Before that, I'm giving a quick revision of commands I'm using and the port numbers, which I always keep ready in my Notion. So it's around 4:30 and I finished 4 levels from 20 to 24. Now actually I got like 2 job opportunities from my college, so I need to apply for them. I need to align my resume according to their job description and apply. So I've applied and everything is done and I'm literally sleepy right now. So I think I'm gonna go for a walk with my dad and I'm gonna come back and do my project after that. So it's around 8ish right now. I came from work, meal prepped my dinner and also made this mango lassi, which is so good. I'm gonna do my project right now. If I read anymore, my eyes are gonna just shut. I ditched my project and I started learning a software, and I also learned some status code for HTTP requests. So I'm done with the notes as well with Notion. I think for most part of the day I've completed all my tasks. Just gonna go sleep right now.